Hey, welcome to another junior measurement video. We're getting pretty close to the end of our junior measurement section. This is all about the volume of a pyramid again, and we're going to now introduce circle pyramids, which we prefer to call cones. So the volume is the amount of space that's inside a sorry, I said that so wrong. The volume is the amount of space that's inside a three-dimensional object. This ice cream cone, they believe it's the largest, according to Guinness World Records, the largest ice cream ever made was just over 3 meters in height. Right, so we know a pyramid is a 3D shape that has a 2D base and all vertices on the base come up and meet at a point called the apex. We're going to turn our attention to a circle-based pyramid, which has a circle on the base and all parts of that circle rise up to meet at the apex. We call it a circle-based pyramid, or some people say circular pyramid, and most of us will just shorten it to a cone. Now, we know the volume from our last video. The volume of a pyramid is equal to the area of the base times the height, all divided by 3. So because we now turned our attention to a circle-based pyramid, the area of the base is pi times radius squared. That's the area of a circle. The area of a circle is pi times radius squared. So we're going to put pi times radius squared times it by the height and divide it all by 3. We'll shorten that in algebra to pi times r squared times h divided by 3. And remember, in algebra, we don't need multiplication signs, so you'll often see it as pi r squared h over 3. Right, let's get into some examples. Calculate the volume of the following cones. So here we have a cone that's got a radius of 15 meters and a height of 9 meters. So we know the volume of a pyramid is area of base times height divided 3. We're going to replace the area of the base with pi r squared, like we just chatted about. So we're going to now go pi times 15 squared, because 15 is my radius, times 9, because 9 is my height, and divide it all by 3. I need the help of my calculator. Often I like to put, if there's lots of stuff on a fraction at the top, I like to put it all in brackets. So I go bracket pi times 15 squared times 9, close bracket. Then I divide it by 3, and I get this number, which I have to round sensibly. I'm going to round it just to 1 decimal place from now, and I get 2,120.6 meters cubed. Now keep in mind, if you can visualize a cube that's 1 meter long by 1 meter wide by 1 meter high, it's a big cube. We would need 2,120.6 of those to make up the same space as that cone. All right, let's do this ice cream. I've wanted to, so let's do it. These are the measurements I think I've managed to find from the internet that make up the world record for the largest ice cream in the world. So it has a diameter of 114 centimeters and a height of 336 centimeters. Right, so let's calculate the volume. So to do that, we need to go pi times radius squared times height divided by 3. But we've got the diameter here, so we must get the radius first. The radius is just the diameter divided by 2. So the radius of this cone is 57 centimeters. So now we're ready to plug into our volume formula. Pi times 57 squared. 57 is the radius, times by the height, which is 336, all divided by 3. So this is how I've punched it into my calculator, and I've managed to come up with this crazy answer, which is 1,143,187.9 centimeters cubed. I've chosen to round my answer to 1 decimal point. Now that is equivalent to 1,143,187.9 of those little cubes, and it's also equivalent to about 572 litre tip-top ice creams. All right, hey, thanks so much for tuning in on this video.